with a teacher? Relax. She's sitting.
Angel, what are you doing to Mama's tummy? Angel, what are you doing to Mommy's tummy? Show Nana. Show Nana. Show Nana, what are you doing to Mommy's tummy?
Hey, you owe me 3 months rent. So what about
A ver, enséñame.
Go on the stomach, go.
Give me another 3
Go.
days.
Enséñame, papá.
I'll have the money then.
Go on your stomach.